You just spent months, maybe even years, building your business. You filed your LLC, you bought the perfect domain name, and your logo looks incredible. You did everything right, or so you thought. What if I told you that someone could legally steal your business name tomorrow, and there's absolutely nothing your LLC could do to stop it? Today, we are breaking down the massive legal loophole that catches thousands of business owners off guard. We're going to look at the dangerous shortcomings of using free AI trademark templates and the exact steps that you need to take to truly lock down the brand you've worked so hard to build. Now let's get to it. Here's the harsh reality. Getting an LLC is just step one. It's a foundational move for asset protection, but it does not equal brand protection. When you register an LLC in your home state, it simply prevents someone else from registering the exact same name in that specific state's Secretary of State registry. That's it. It gives you zero federal protection. Let's say that you operate an LLC in Nevada. Someone else halfway across the country in New York can federally trademark your exact business name. And if the United States Patent and Trademark Office grants them that federal trademark, they hold the ultimate trump card. If you sell products elsewhere, they could send you a cease and desist letter and legally force you to rebrand your entire company, regardless of how long you've had your LLC. This is why when you have an LLC, you must also apply for a trademark afterwards. The LLC protects you in-state, the trademark protects you everywhere else. Now, there's this confusingly similar trap that I need to talk about here, and it gets worse. You don't just have to worry about exact matches. The standard for trademark infringement is not about having identical names. It's about the likelihood of confusion. If your business is called Bluebird Tech and someone else trademarks Bluebird Technologies, spelled completely different but sounding the same, in that case, you are infringing. Imagine the nightmare. You get a letter in the mail demanding you change your name. That means throwing away all the money you spent on signage, website domains, marketing materials, and losing all the customer goodwill you've built up to that point. Unfortunately, it happens a lot. Here's the danger of do-it-yourself and AI. Now, a lot of business owners try to save a few bucks by doing it quick, doing a free online search, or using a cheap AI-generated legal template to help with their trademarks. This is a massive trap. These free tools are rife with issues, especially when it comes to trademark searches and assisting with USPTO trademark filings. If you use these tools, the USPTO will likely reject your trademark application. So here's the smart way to protect your brand. How do you avoid this nightmare? It's simple. You build your legal protection the right way from the beginning. And that means putting the right professionals in place. Step one, you need to start with a reputable service to form your LLC correctly. A properly formed LLC lays the legal foundation for your business. It separates your personal assets from your business liabilities and establishes your company as a legitimate legal entity in your home state. Think of it as the structural framework that protects you from lawsuits and creditor claims. But remember, that protection stops at the state level. This is where step two comes in. Step two, you also want to work with a qualified trademark attorney when protecting your brand. A trademark attorney doesn't just fill out a form. They perform comprehensive trademark searches, analyze potential conflicts, and help ensure your name is not considered confusingly similar in relation to an existing mark. More importantly, they help you file the application correctly with the USPTO the first time. And if your business sells products or services nationwide, or even plans to someday, a federal trademark gives you the protection you need across the entire United States. That means if someone tries to copy your brand later, you're the one holding the legal advantage. In other words, your LLC protects your business structure, while your trademark protects your brand. And when you combine both, you create a powerful legal shield around the company you work so hard to build. Don't leave your brand's future up to a basic AI search or a free online template. Surround yourself with professionals who can assist you the right way. Now at Corporate Direct, we've helped protect business owners for over 30 years by forming and maintaining LLCs the right way. Click the link in the description below to schedule a consultation with someone on our team. And don't forget to subscribe for more asset protection strategies. And while you're at it, I'll see you in the next video.